Imagine standing on a world where the ground beneath your feet could explode at any moment, sending rivers of molten rock cascading across the landscape, or blasting plumes of superheated gas high enough to reach space. While Earth has its share of violent volcanoes, they are nothing compared to the eruptions happening elsewhere in our solar system. From fire-spewing mountains larger than entire countries to ice volcanoes erupting frozen slush into the void of space, the universe is home to volcanic forces so extreme they defy imagination. Our own planet has witnessed devastating eruptions like the explosion of Mount Tambora in 1815, which caused a year without a summer, or the ancient supervolcano beneath Yellowstone, capable of burying continents in ash. Yet, as terrifying as these events are, they pale in comparison to the volcanic monsters lurking on other worlds. Take Jupiter's moon Io, for example, a place so volcanic that its entire surface is constantly being reshaped by eruptions. Unlike Earth, where volcanoes are fueled by shifting tectonic plates, Io's fire comes from the relentless gravitational tug-of-war between Jupiter and its neighboring moons. This constant squeezing heats Io's insides like a stress ball, creating hundreds of active volcanoes that spew lava dozens of miles into the sky. Some of these eruptions are so powerful they can be seen from telescopes on Earth. The largest, Loki Patera, is a lake of lava so vast that if it were on Earth, it would cover entire states. If you stood on Io, you'd witness a world where eruptions never stop, where the ground itself is a shifting, molten nightmare. Then there's Venus, a planet often called Earth's twin but with a hellish twist. Shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, Venus hides a surface covered in ancient lava flows, vast volcanic plains, and towering shield volcanoes. Some scientists believe Venus may still be volcanically active today, with eruptions hidden beneath its crushing atmosphere. The planet's most striking feature, a massive volcano called Moabmans, stands nearly 5 miles high and could still be awake, silently oozing lava under the perpetual gloom. If Venus does erupt, it does so in an environment where the air pressure is 90 times heavier than Earth's, where temperatures are hot enough to melt, lead a true vision of planetary fury. Mars, the red planet, may seem quiet now, but its past was shaped by volcanic forces on a scale we can barely comprehend. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, is so large that its base would cover the entire state of Arizona, and its peak rises 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Unlike Earth's volcanoes, which erupt and collapse over time, Mars' weak gravity and lack of moving tectonic plates allow Olympus Mons to grow to impossible sizes. If it were still active today, an eruption could unleash lava flows stretching thousands of miles, reshaping the planet's surface in a single catastrophic event. But volcanoes aren't just about fire and molten rock. Some of the most bizarre eruptions happen in the frozen reaches of the outer solar system. Saturn's moon Enceladus, for instance, doesn't spew lava, it erupts geysers of water vapor and ice crystals from a hidden ocean beneath its icy crust. These frozen plumes shoot hundreds of miles into space, some even escaping Enceladus entirely and joining Saturn's rings. If you could fly through one of these eruptions, you'd be met with a glittering storm of ice, a beautiful but deadly spectacle in the vacuum of space. Even farther out, Neptune's moon Triton hosts geysers of nitrogen gas erupting from its frozen surface, sending dark plumes twisting into its thin atmosphere. And on distant Pluto, strange mountains may actually be cryovolcanoes that once oozed a slushy mix of water, ammonia, and methane, freezing instantly in the bitter cold. These alien eruptions prove that volcanoes don't need fire to be powerful, just the unstoppable forces of heat, pressure, and chemistry working in ways we're only beginning to understand. The universe is a place of unimaginable violence where worlds explode, freeze, and reshape themselves in cycles of destruction and rebirth. Whether it's the molten fury of Io, the silent eruptions of Venus, or the icy geysers of Enceladus, one thing is clear: our solar system is alive with volcanic forces far beyond anything Earth has ever seen. And as we explore deeper into space, who knows what other volcanic wonders or horrors we might discover. So the next time you hear about a volcanic eruption on Earth, remember it's just a glimpse of the cosmic infernos raging across the universe. The true titans of fire and ice are still out there, waiting to be seen.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.